Anybody know what this place is? It's Gettysburg. This is where they fought the Battle of Gettysburg. 50,000 men died right here on this field.
DW, I only wish that my words could be as elegant as those spoken by our history footnote some 148 years ago today. But let's get right to my pick for this week.
This week's pick is not going to be everyone's cup of tea, but it's a great example of the bargains that can be had, especially in country property, if that's your leaning. Welcome to 16015 Patrick Henry Highway in the Montpelier area of western Hanover County. And despite that Patrick Henry address, this property sits well off Route 54 on a flag-shaped lot of 10 acres. Now stew on this a little bit. We've got a 10-acre lot, an all-brick home of 2,600 plus finished square feet with 3 fireplaces, an additional unfinished basement of over 1,200 square feet with just great ceiling height. There's an attached 30 by 40 two-bay garage with an apartment above, complete with kitchenette and masonry fireplace. The well is a deep one, and propane fires the heating systems. Hanover County has the property assessed for $327,000, which is the same assessed value it's had since 2007. The property qualifies for HomePath financing that allows for as little as a 3% down payment with no mortgage insurance or appraisal, and HomePath will typically pay 3.5% of the closing costs. If you want to do some renovations or improvements, you can do a HomePath renovation loan with similar terms and rates. So what's the list price on this one? How about $259,000? And with 2 price reductions already, 80 days on market, this is one I'd bid aggressively and see where you can take it. Property has a decent grade of finish inside. Hardwoods throughout the first floor except kitchen, hardwoods in the upstairs hall and master bedroom. Formal living room and dining room are both great size, and the front to back great room family room is just a monster. Upstairs are 4 bedrooms with the master sitting over that family room monster below, so you know that's good size. The other 3 guest bedrooms have really decent size and are serviced by a ceramic tile hall bath. If you're looking to become landed gentry, this might just be the ticket.
And that does it for Foreclosure Friday Flash for November 18th, 2011. We're going to take a little hiatus in December from our seminar schedule and also from the Saturday morning tour of bank-owned properties, just because the way Saturdays fall versus the holidays in December. But we will continue to produce Bank-Owned Weekly, which you can receive every Sunday morning in your inbox. So sign up for that. And while we haven't asked in a while, if you're seeing this on Facebook and you like what you see, how about hitting that like button below? And that does it for Foreclosure Friday Flash. We'll see you next week.